Oh, hi. Uh, Today we are going to understand a very important structure, okay, diencephalon, hypothalamus. So, hypothalamus is not only the part of our nervous system, it is also part of our endocrine system, okay. So, let's try to understand the location of hypothalamus and how it is related with both nervous system as well as endocrine system, okay. So now when we talk about hypothalamus, okay, it is a part of forebrain. So you can see here, this is the largest part of our forebrain, cerebrum, okay. This is cerebrum. Now this is structure, you can see here, this is structure is called corpus callosum, okay. And corpus callosum is a tract of nerve fiber which connect both the cerebral hemisphere, okay. Right and left cerebral hemisphere are jointed, or you can say connected, through this tract of nerve fiber, okay, corpus callosum. And this corpus callosum is not present in any other vertebrates or any other animal, okay. It is only present in case of mammals, okay, characteristic feature of mammal. So forebrain, it means this is the largest part, cerebrum. Now when we talk about hypothalamus, can you see here? So this is pituitary gland. Here you can say this is the pituitary gland, and this is pituitary, and here this is hypothalamus, okay. This is hypothalamus, this is thalamus, of course, this is thalamus, okay. And this is hypothalamus, base of you can say diencephalon. Diencephalon is also part of forebrain, okay. Forebrain, it means prosencephalon. So diencephalon, okay, the base of diencephalon, of course, this is hypothalamus, which is okay. You can see the pituitary gland, this is hypophysis or pituitary. So the pituitary gland is connected with hypothalamus with a stalk, and this is stalk, you can see it, can you see? Okay, this is stalk is called infundibulum, okay. So pituitary gland or hypophysis is connected with a stalk, okay. So this is hypothalamus. Now when we talk about hypothalamus, hypothalamus is not only the part of our nervous system, it is the part of our endocrine system also. Now in our brain, apart from hypothalamus, you are going to find other endocrine tissue or gland. This is our pituitary gland, and of course here you are going to find a gland, another gland, which is called the pineal gland or pineal gland, okay. So hypothalamus having a lot of center. When we talk about thermoregulation, center is present here, thermoregulator center, then thirst center, okay, hunger center, satiety, or you can say satisfaction center, all these things. Osmoregulation is also okay related with hypothalamus, okay. Hypothalamus is also involved in, you can say, sexual behavior. Sometimes you can say, like the hypothalamus is associated with the limbic lobe or limbic system also, and play a very important role in excitement, emotions, okay, sexual behavior also. That is the function of the nervous function of the hypothalamus. But when we talk about the endocrine function of the hypothalamus, so the hypothalamus, okay, having nuclei which are secreting hormones. Which type of hormones are secreted from the hypothalamus? That's very important. So hypothalamus is secreting a lot of hormones called releasing hormone and inhibiting hormones, okay. So the releasing hormone and inhibiting hormones through hypophyseal portal circulation, okay, reaches anterior pituitary gland, not posterior pituitary, okay. Anterior pituitary, it means I am talking about pars distalis. You can also use the term adenohypophysis, okay, but anterior pituitary, it means pars distalis. So the releasing hormones, okay, from the hypothalamus and inhibiting hormones from the hypothalamus reaches anterior pituitary with the help of hypophyseal portal circulation or system, we can say. Now releasing hormone like GnRH, gonadotrophin releasing hormone, or TRH, better to say TSHRH, okay, thyroid stimulating hormone releasing hormone. So the releasing hormone, okay, is going to stimulate the anterior pituitary gland or pars distalis. So the releasing hormone like gonadotrophin releasing hormone is going to stimulate anterior pituitary gland, and then our anterior pituitary gland will release LH and FSH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. So releasing hormone from the hypothalamus is stimulating the anterior pituitary to release LH and FSH hormone and other hormones like prolactin. Okay, here is PRL, prolactin releasing hormone from the hypothalamus, stimulate the anterior pituitary, and then anterior pituitary secretes prolactin hormone. Okay, same we can say growth hormone releasing hormone, growth hormone inhibiting hormone. Okay, so stimulates anterior pituitary or inhibit the anterior pituitary. So we can say that hypothalamus is controlling the anterior pituitary. We are not talking about the posterior pituitary gland, because posterior pituitary is under we can say direct neural control of hypothalamus. Yes. Why? Look here. Hypothalamus is not only synthesizing releasing hormone and inhibiting hormone. Hypothalamus is also secreting oxytocin hormone and vasopressin hormone. Vasopressin, ADH, antidiuretic hormone. But the important point here, ADH, vasopressin, and the oxytocin, these two hormones are stored in posterior pituitary gland. Posterior pituitary gland, it means pars nervosa, you can say, okay, or neurohypophysis, you can say. So the hormones oxytocin and ADH, antidiuretic hormone, is stored in posterior pituitary gland. Posterior pituitary gland is not synthesizing any hormone. Okay, posterior pituitary is storing, okay, two hormones which are actually synthesized from in the hypothalamus. Okay, these two hormones are stored in the posterior pituitary and then released into this blood circulation, okay, as per the requirement of our body. Because when we talk about ADH hormone, antidiuretic hormone, when there is excess loss of fluid or water from our body, okay, then this hormone from the posterior pituitary gland, okay, reaches our kidney nephron, okay, to prevent the loss of water. Okay, hormone is going to increase the reabsorption of water and sodium, water from the later part of our nephron. Okay, so hypothalamus is the base of diencephalon. This is